Here's the truth. Most people talk about future tech like it's a movie trailer. Cool, loud, forgettable. But in 2026, tech trends will not be nice to know. They will decide who keeps their job, which companies grow, and which ones slowly die. So let me ask you one big question. Are you getting ready for tech trends 2026? Or are you just scrolling past them on LinkedIn? By the end of this video, you will know 5 clear tech trends to watch in 2026. You will know what they mean in simple language. You will know how they affect your career, your team, and your business. And you will leave with a short action plan. Something you can start this week. Let's start with why this even matters. Imagine this: you are an IT manager, or a founder, or a student in tech. Every week you hear new words: AI native, quantum, multi-agent systems, edge, digital sovereignty. Your inbox is full of buzzwords. Your boss says, "We need an AI strategy." Your team asks, "Is our job safe?"
Vendors promise future ready platforms every day. It feels like standing in the middle of a busy road. Cars are flying from every side. You know you must move, but you are scared to take the first step. Here is why 2026 is special. Big research firms and consulting companies are saying the same thing. AI, cloud, and cybersecurity are no longer side topics. They are becoming the core of business spend and growth. So if you understand the key trends now, you play offense. If you ignore them, you will always react late. Think of it like driving at night. Trends are your headlights. Without them, you will still move, but you will move blind. Now let me tell you a simple story. Story: two companies, same industry, different futures. Company A runs a mid-size retail business. They treat AI as just another tool. They do one chatbot, one pilot, then move on. Their IT team is busy, but nothing really changes. Company B is in the same space.
But they treat AI and new tech trends like building blocks. They slowly redesign their work. They automate boring tasks. They use data to make better pricing. They train people on new tools. Fast forward to 2026. Company A still sends manual reports on Excel. Still does guesswork on stock. Still has customers waiting on support. Company B does demand forecasting with AI. Their agents use AI helpers for calls. Their IT team uses AI to write and test code. Their leaders see real-time dashboards instead of emailed sheets. Same industry, same market. Very different story. The only big difference? How seriously they took tech trends in these 2 to 3 years. Now let's move to the main part. What are the big tech trends for 2026 that you should care about? To keep it simple, we will look at 5. 1. AI becomes your coworker, not just a tool. 2. Cloud and edge become invisible plumbing. 3. Cybersecurity turns from defense to prevention by design. 4. Work and skills change faster than our job titles. 5. Tech goes green and responsible by default. We will go one by one with simple examples for normal users and for IT leaders. Mini hook. Here's the idea that can change how you see 2026. You will not compete with AI. You will compete with people and companies who use AI very well. Let's go deeper. Trend 1. AI as a coworker, not a shiny toy. Till now, many teams used AI like a gadget. Let's ask the chatbot to write an email. Let's use AI to write a caption. In 2026, AI goes from sidekick to system. Big analyst firms talk about AI native development and multi-agent systems. That sounds complex, but think of it like this. Today, AI is one smart intern helping you. In 2026, you will have a small digital team of AI helpers. Each one does a focused job. One checks data, one drafts content, one watches logs, one tests code, and they talk to each other. For a normal person, what does this look like? You write a simple prompt. Plan my week. I work in support. I want to learn cloud. Give me 15 minutes per day with links and tasks. Your AI coworker does it in seconds. Or summarize this 40-page policy in 5 bullet points. Explain it like I am new to IT. Done. No drama. For an IT leader or CIO, what does this mean? You will not just add AI on top of old systems, you will design work with AI in the middle. For example, in development, AI writes boilerplate code, tests, and documentation. Humans review, design, and handle edge cases. In operations, AI watches logs 24/7, flags issues, and even fixes simple ones. Humans focus on complex problems and change planning. In support, AI handles first-level issues. Agents handle tricky or emotional cases. Reports from firms like McKinsey and Deloitte say AI is now inside almost every major tech trend, not separate from it. The key question for 2026 is not, should we use AI? It is, where in our value chain should AI be the first draft, and where must humans stay in full control? Common mistake here. Teams jump to tools before they fix process. If your process is messy, AI will make the mess faster. So, before you plug in AI, clean the flow. Map the steps. Decide which steps can be auto, which must stay human. Mini hook. Here's where many people get it wrong. They think AI alone is the trend, but AI without the right home breaks. That home is cloud and edge. Trend 2. Cloud and edge is invisible plumbing. When cloud first came, it was a big buzzword. Move to cloud. Cloud first. By 2026, cloud is not the story. Cloud is the stage. The new story is, where should your data live? How fast do you need to respond? What must stay in your country or region? Analysts talk about AI supercomputing, confidential computing, and digital sovereignty. Let's break that down in simple language. Think of your tech like water. Cloud is the big water plant outside the city. Huge power, cheap at scale. Edge is the tank on top of your building, close to you. Fast when you open the tap. In 2026, many systems will use both. For example, a factory may run AI models at the edge on machines. They detect faults in real time. No need to send every signal to a faraway data center, but the training of those models may still happen in big cloud centers with strong GPUs. For a normal user, you may not even know if your app uses cloud or edge. You just feel, my video call is smooth. My game does not lag. My banking app is fast and feels safe. For IT leaders, you will make 3 big decisions. What stays on public cloud? What runs on edge or on-prem because of speed or law? How do we keep data safe when it moves across many places? A big trap here is cost. Cloud bills can silently grow like a slow leak. In 2026, FinOps and cost control become daily work, not a side project. The smart move is to treat cloud like electricity. You do not pay for lights no one uses, so you watch usage, switch off unused services, and design apps that waste less. Mini hook. Now, here comes the part that can keep every CIO awake at night. More AI, more cloud, more data also means more attack surface. Trend 3. Cybersecurity becomes proactive, not reactive. Till now, many companies did security like this. Wait for alerts. Patch known issues. Run a yearly audit. Hope nothing bad happens. That game is over. Recent reports show attackers are also using AI. They use it to craft better phishing emails. They scan for old, unpatched systems at scale. Gartner and others talk about preemptive cybersecurity and AI security platforms. What does that mean in simple words? Think of your company like a house. Reactive security is like locking the door and praying. Preemptive security is like checking your windows every week, changing weak locks, teaching your family how to spot a fake delivery person, and having cameras that alert you before someone even touches the gate. For a normal person, security in 2026 will show up as more multi-factor logins, more alerts when your password is in a leak, More checks when you move money or sign important documents. Yes, it can feel annoying, but it is like wearing a seatbelt. For IT and security leaders, the trend is clear. Use AI to detect strange behavior early. Automate basic responses like blocking an IP or disabling a user. Treat identity as the new perimeter. Train employees again and again because human error is still the biggest hole. Common mistake: buying 10 security tools and connecting none of them. Tools that do not talk to each other create blind spots. In 2026, security platforms that integrate signals will matter more than one magic product. Mini hook. So far, we spoke about systems. Now let's talk about something more personal. Your job, my job, our skills. Trend 4. Work and skills change faster than job titles. Many people fear AI will take my job. The truth is more nuanced. Global reports say AI and automation will transform most businesses by 2030. They will remove some roles, but they will also create new ones around data, AI, and green tech. Think of it like this. When cars replaced horses, stable worker was not a big job anymore, but mechanic, driver, traffic planner all appeared. The same is happening with AI. For a normal professional in 2026, you will likely see more hybrid roles like marketing plus data, HR plus analytics. More tools that expect you to write good prompts. More pressure to learn new skills faster. For IT leaders and CIOs, your org chart will shift. New roles show up: AI product owner, prompt engineer, model risk lead, data steward. Old roles do not vanish overnight, but the skill mix inside each role changes. Big consulting and job market reports keep repeating one thing. The fastest growing demand is for people who can mix domain knowledge, data skills, and AI fluency. Common mistake: leaders invest in tools but not in people. They spend on platforms. But training is a one-day workshop. After that, everyone goes back to email and Excel. If you are a leader, ask, what percentage of our tech budget goes to human learning? If you are an individual, ask, how many hours per week do I invest in future skills, not just current tasks? Mini hook. Here's a simple rule for 2026. If your job touches information, your job also touches AI. The question is, do you use it with intention, or do you wait till it is forced on you? Trend 5. Tech goes green and responsible. The last trend we will cover today is about responsibility. AI, cloud, and devices do not live in the sky. They live in data centers. They use real power. They leave a real carbon footprint. At the same time, people are asking harder questions. Is this AI fair? Is my data safe? Can I trust what I see on the screen? Global reports show big investment in AI hardware, chips, and networks. But they also highlight pressure on energy, regulation, and digital trust. For normal users in 2026, you may see more apps telling you how your choices affect the planet. You may see green mode options. You may see more labels on AI-generated content. For IT leaders, sustainable IT will not be a PR slide. It will hit your cost and risk line. You will be asked, how efficient is our code and infra? Can we turn off idle systems? Do we choose regions and chips with better energy profiles? Do we have clear policies for AI ethics and data use? Think of it like waste management in a city. You cannot just build more and more houses. You also need to plan the sewage, garbage, and recycling. Tech is the same. We must plan for side effects, not just features. Common mistakes people make with tech trends. Let's pause and talk about a few classic mistakes. Mistake 1. Chasing every buzzword. Some leaders think, if the word is in a report, we must do a project on it. Result: 10 pilots, 0 impact. Better approach: pick 1 or 2 trends that clearly match your business problem. Go deep, show value, then expand. Mistake 2. Ignoring boring basics. Everyone loves new tools. No one loves cleaning data, fixing processes, or updating old systems. But in reality, AI and advanced tech are like race cars. They need a smooth road. If your data is scattered, if your access control is weak, if your processes are ad hoc, the best AI will look bad. Mistake 3, thinking this is only an IT topic. In 2026, tech trends are business trends. Pricing, customer experience, supply chain, risk. All of them will be shaped by AI, cloud, and data choices. So if you are a business leader and you say, I will let IT handle it, you are leaving strategy on the table. Mistake 4, over-focusing on tools, under-focusing on people. We spoke about this, but it is worth repeating. Tools change every year. Mindsets and skills can grow for decades. If you must choose between one more software license and one more deep training program, in many cases, training wins. Future predictions for 2026 and beyond. Let's look ahead a bit. Based on what big firms and analysts say, plus what we see in the market today, here are a few likely scenes in 2026 to 2028. Scene 1. AI native apps as the default. Most new business apps will ship with AI built in. Search, summarize, predict, recommend. You will not add AI later. It will be part of version 1. Scene 2. Multi-agent AI teams and workflows. For complex work like incident management, you may have several AI agents. One collects data, one suggests actions, one checks risk, one writes the report. Humans watch the big picture and approve. Scene 3. Regulations catch up. More countries roll out AI and data laws. They ask what data can be used to train models. They ask how models must be tested. Compliance teams work closely with tech. Scene 4. Jobs shift, not vanish. Some entry-level tasks will be fully automated, but new entry paths appear. AI operations, data curation, model oversight, AI-augmented customer roles. The people who move early will teach the late movers. Scene 5. Green pressure on infra big AI projects will be asked to prove efficiency. Sustainable design becomes a real requirement in RFPs. This future is not fixed, but the direction is clear. So the right question is, how do I prepare myself and my team to benefit from these trends, not fight them? Simple action plan. Let's bring all of this down to earth. Here is a short, practical plan you can start after this video. Step 1. Pick one trend that hits you hardest. Is it AI as a coworker, cloud and edge, security, skills, green tech? Choose the one that scares you or excites you most. Step 2. Write one problem statement. For example, our support team spends too much time on repeat questions. Our cloud bill is growing faster than revenue. Our developers are stuck on manual testing. Make it specific. Step 3. Ask, how can 2026 tech trends help here? Maybe AI coworkers can handle first-level support. Maybe better cloud design can cut costs by 20%. Maybe AI test tools can speed up releases. Step 4. Plan one small experiment. Not a big transformation, just a 4 to 6 week pilot with clear goals. Step 5. Invest in one skill. Pick one skill you will build in the next 3 months. Prompting, data literacy, cloud basics, cyber hygiene. Block time on your calendar like a real meeting. Final takeaway. Let's zoom out, tech trends. 2026 are not about gadgets. They are about power. The power to make better decisions with data, move faster than your competition, protect what matters, and build a career that does not expire. You do not need to understand every deep detail. You do not need to become an AI researcher, but you do need 3 things: curiosity, a basic map of the trends, and the courage to run small experiments. If you took even one idea from this video, turn it into one action this week. Talk to your team about AI as a coworker. Review one cloud bill line, sign up for one course, sketch one pilot on a whiteboard. And as you do that, remember this: the future does not arrive in one big day. It arrives in small choices we make now. You are already ahead of most people because you chose to think about tech trends instead of just scrolling past them. Stay curious. Stay kind to yourself while you learn, and keep your mind in think ahead mode. I'll see you in the next video. HTTPS www.mckinsey.com. Capabilities, tech and AI are insights, the top trends in tech. UTM are source, ChatGPT. Com, McKinsey Technology Trends Outlook 2025. HTTPS dias, www.gartner.com, the articles. Top Technology Trends 2026, UTM Source Mark ChatGPT.com, Top Strategic Technology Trends for 2026, Gartner. https://www.deloitte.com, US Insights, Topics, Technology, Management, Tech Trends 2025, Tech Trends Future of AI for it, HTML, UTM make source, ChatGPT. Com, AI Impact on the Future of IT, Deloitte. Insights, make https www.deloitte.com, yes, AEN Services, Consulting Articles, Cybersecurity Report 2025, HTML.UTM, source mock ChatGPT.com, Deloitte Cyber Threat, Trends Report 2025, https www.weforum.org, publications, The Future of Jobs Report 2025, digest.utm, source ChatGPT. Com, The Future of Jobs Report 2025, World Economic Forum, https www.deloitte.com, global and yeah, about press room. 2026 TMT predictions.html. UTM or source, chatgpt.com. Deloitte 2026 Technology, Media and Telecommunications Predictions.